Let me save you some time if you're trying to find a manufacturer, especially in the United States. I'm going to tell you exactly what I did to find mine, how I vetted them, and one big red flag that helped me avoid the wrong partner. And yes, manufacturing is a process, not one step. Hey there, I'm Jovanna, founder of Tonē Bekka. I've been building my leather bag business since 2012. And now I'm documenting my journey from handcrafting to manufacturing, so that other designers and product-based business owners can learn what it really looks like. In this video, I'm walking you through why I chose US manufacturing, how I found the manufacturers, how I vetted them, and what helped me choose the right one. Now, for me, it was always important to manufacture in the United States, even though I knew that it would cost a lot more money. Now, here's why. I want access if I want to travel and actually visit them, I can. I don't want a language barrier. I want clear communication and to be able to move quickly when there's an issue. And honestly, I care about the relationship. I want to feel respected and supported in the process. So yes, I knew it could be more expensive, but I decided the access and communication were definitely worth it for me. Okay, now, here's what I actually did to find them. I started with a simple Google search. Yep, Google. Leather bag manufacturers in the United States. And I'm going to be honest, there aren't many at all. So that search gave me a really short list, and from there I was able to narrow it down based on who even looked like they were a fit for for leather goods and the type of bag that I made. Then I did something that helped me a whole lot. I paid attention to other bag designers that I follow who mentioned that they were manufacturing as well. And I just reached out to them. I asked, are you working with someone in the United States? And if you're comfortable sharing, can you tell me who you use or what your experience has actually been like? Now, thankfully, I found a few designers who actually worked with some of the manufacturers that I was already looking into. This part right here is very important. I wasn't just collecting names, I was collecting real feedback. Here are the questions I asked other designers, and you can use these too. How was the communication? How was the timeline, and was it realistic? Was it expensive, and did you feel like it was worth it? And did you feel respected and treated well? Did you feel like you got a bang for your buck? And if you could do it all over again, would you still choose that same manufacturer? Now, those questions helped me vet the manufacturers beyond just what their website was saying. After that, I reached out to the manufacturers directly and I asked them a simple question. What is your process if I want my bag manufactured through you? Now, a lot of them were like, just send us your bag and we'll give you a quote. So I sent them the bag and they reviewed it, and then they will quote me what it would cost for them to create a sample based off of that bag. Now, I'll talk more about the sample process in the next video because listen, that deserves its own breakdown. At one point, I had 3 strong options, and I looked at 3 things: what they told me directly, what other designers said about them, and how I felt during the communication, because that's part of the relationship. Now, let me tell you, I did have a red flag that I ran into. One of the manufacturers was very pushy. It was like, we gave you a deal and you got to lock it in by this week. And I just was not ready for that. First of all, I didn't have all the money at the time. And second, I was still in my research phase. I was like, hold on, wait a minute. And I remember thinking, if they're already impatient and pressuring me here right now, this is probably not going to be a good fit or be good for me later. So I removed them from the list. Quick lesson. If a manufacturer is rushing you, pay attention, because pressure is not partnership. Now, the manufacturer that I ended up choosing was actually one that I looked into back in 2012. I started my business in 2012, so when I was seriously revisiting manufacturers, they were already on my radar, and coming back to them later, it just felt right. Now, I'm a woman of prayer, so I pray over big business decisions just like this, because manufacturing is a relationship. It's not just a transaction, and I didn't want to partner with someone and then have to start all over again if it wasn't a good fit. So when I was ready, I sent my bag and I paid for my first sample to be created. Now, in the next video, I'm going to walk you through what happens when you pay for your first sample, what to expect, what to watch for, and how to avoid wasting your precious money. If you're looking for a manufacturer right now, comment the word manufacturing and tell me what product you're trying to make. Is it a bag or is it clothing, accessories? Because I want to be able to help you with whatever it is that you're actually making. So make sure you subscribe right below because I'm documenting this journey step by step in real time.